The Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Monday, June 12th. I'm James Spann. Got a few scattered showers and storms around today. They'll be around every day for at least the next 5 to 7 days, probably more numerous toward the end of this week. Let's check it out. Here's the water vapor satellite view across the nation. Big cold trough in the western states, ridging for the east. In Alabama, we got a soupy air mass and a few showers about. And as expected, the most numerous showers are east and south of Birmingham. That was the radar at 2:30. Raining in places like Oxford, Anniston, Jacksonville. Raining down in Tuskegee, parts of Lee, Montgomery counties. In fact, rain falling around the city of Montgomery. And those will dissipate once the sun goes down later this evening. Away from the showers, pretty toasty today. Mostly upper 80s on the board. Birmingham at 89. Around the nation, heat building up into the northeast United States. Temperatures up in the 90s for New York City and Boston. They're hotter than Birmingham. But cold in the west underneath the trough where they've got snow issues for parts of Nevada. I see a winter weather advisory for the northeastern part of that state. Flash flood watches for parts of Montana and Idaho. Down to the south in the deserts, an excessive heat watch. And things are quiet down here. This is the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. The green here means the chance of storms not expected to be severe. The big problems over parts of the high plains, a moderate risk where Wyoming, Nebraska, South Dakota all come together. We also note a slight risk of severe weather over northern Maine today. Must be summertime. Tomorrow, an enhanced risk for parts of the Dakotas, Minnesota, Nebraska, Iowa. But again, down here, scattered storms, nothing severe. And on day 3, Wednesday, chance of severe storms well to the north. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. And as we often talk about, these maps are kind of hard to draw because of the scattered nature of the storms. But on an average basis, most spots will see 1 to 2 inches of rain between now and Monday of next week. And for now, the tropics are quiet, but maybe some mischief next week in the Gulf, as you'll see. So here we go, model fans. The GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock local time, 1 p.m. at 500 millibars, troughing in the west, ridging here across the deep south. Just like today, a moist, unstable air mass. Partly sunny. We'll probably see a few scattered storms about, but really maybe not that many. This is the high-res NAM, valid tomorrow evening at 6 o'clock, and it looks very quiet. Showers, if this is right, would be very hard to find. And the GFS tends to agree with that, so we'll mention only widely scattered showers tomorrow. Looks like a decent part of the day should be dry. Wednesday, pretty much the same deal, widely scattered showers, but on Thursday, the coverage will likely increase with a weak front approaching from the west and slightly colder air aloft, and Friday, the same thing. So widely scattered showers tomorrow and Wednesday, showers and storms becoming more numerous on Thursday and Friday. But even then, it's not going to rain all day, and the sun will be out at times. Highs across the board, mostly mid to upper 80s. Saturday, some sun, some storms. They will be random. They will be scattered. No way of knowing now when and where they pop up. Just be aware of the possibility. High will be in the upper 80s, and pretty much the same deal on Sunday. Partly sunny, a few scattered afternoon storms. You'll hear us say that a lot between now and early September. Let's go to a week from today. This is Monday of next week, June 19th. Pretty good trough north of the state. And down below that, again, the chance of scattered storms. And of interest, a tropical low coming off the Yucatan of Mexico down in the Bay of Campeche. We'll check the end of the forecast period. This is Thursday of next week. Wow, look at the trough over the east that this verifies. Big ridge in the west. A surface cold front near the Tennessee border. And if that's right, a chance of showers and storms here. And very cool for the eastern two-thirds of the country. Wow. Those anomalies are quite impressive for June over parts of the Corn Belt. Thought we'd check go back to the surface chart here. It's got that broad surface low continuing in the southwestern Gulf. And again, this is Thursday, June the 22nd. We'll check the European. Very similar. It's got a broad surface low down there in the Bay of Campeche. We'll check the probabilities of a tropical storm forming off the European. And this is valid Thursday of next week. And again, the higher probabilities are over the far southwestern Gulf. So for the moment, if you've got a beach trip planned next week, it seems like the higher chance of any tropical mischief could stay over the far western Gulf. The question is, can the trough developing north of there pick that thing up and pull it northeast? Nobody knows. Simply an idea that's on the board. We'll just keep an eye on it. Way too early for anybody to know. Numbers look like June. Highs mostly mid to upper 80s, lows upper 60s, and low 70s for a while. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.